Today we're going to learn how to do an invisible join, also known as a magic knot. This comes in handy when you come to the end of a skein of yarn and you need to add another skein, or if you're changing colors. Alright, I'm going to be using two different colors so it's easy to see exactly what's going on. We're going to line up our yarn just like this. We're going to go with the very first end and we're going to place it underneath that first yarn. Just like so. And then wrap it around. It looks like this secondary yarn is going right through. And now take this little piece and you're going to stick it through the hole and pull. And you have your first knot. And we're going to do something similar to the other side. With the other side, we're going to go over top of that first yarn, like so. And underneath. Can you see how this yarn is going right through that loop? Now, we're just going to pull that knot. And this is what it looks like. Now, pull these together. Pull nice and tight. And take your scissors and you're going to cut the yarn as close as you can to the knot. Like so. And pull one more time and your knot is secure. And that's how you do your invisible join.